Electricity is invisible, everyday, and widely misunderstood. Today, we're replacing dangerous myths with verified facts to keep you alive. More than 70% of people killed by electricity at work were not electricians. Bad advice sounds plausible, but it creates real risks of shock, burns, and death. Between 2011 and 2024, over 2,000 workers were killed in electrical incidents. Overhead power lines alone account for nearly half of these fatalities. Most injuries aren't from electrocution, but burns. 80% result from arc flash and the ignition of clothing, not direct contact with current. Myth number 1, low voltage is not dangerous. In reality, it's not the voltage that kills, it's the current. The human body can be severely harmed by currents as low as 100 milliamperes. At just 50, ventricular fibrillation can occur. 50 volts is the danger threshold. Myth 2, a small shock is no big deal. A mild shock is not a reassurance, it's a warning of an underlying fault. A shock that causes you to flinch on a ladder or near machinery can cause a fatal secondary injury, even if the electrical dose was survivable. Myth 3, any rubber gloves will protect you. Household or general purpose gloves provide no meaningful protection against energized equipment. Insulated gloves must meet ASTM D120 standards and carry a specific class rating. Always check the date. An out-of-date glove is an unknown risk. Myth 4. Flame-resistant and arc-rated clothing are the same. They are not. FR clothing resists ignition, but only AR clothing is tested against arc flash energy. Myth 5. Arc flash only happens at high voltage. Arc flash can be hazardous at voltages below 240 volts, often producing more severe events in low voltage systems. Myth 6. A circuit breaker will always protect you. Breakers protect circuits, not people. They don't prevent arc flash or respond to levels that harm humans. Myth 7. Only qualified electricians get hurt. 7 in 10 workplace electrical fatalities occur in non-electrical occupations like construction and maintenance. Myth 8. Flickering lights are just annoying. They are precursors to shock or fire. An electrical fault that is visible is communicating a hazard. Myth 9. Wood and rubber tires are safe insulators. Wood is a poor conductor only when dry and clean. Moisture and dirt eliminate that property instantly. Myth 10. You can use any outdoor equipment if the plug fits. Equipment must be specifically rated for the environment, especially when moisture is involved. Myth 11. Power lines are insulated so they are harmless. Most overhead lines are not insulated. Treat every line as live until confirmed otherwise. Myth 12. If you're not grounded, you're safe. Electricity moves between points of different potential. Grounded or not, you can still receive a fatal shock. Myth 13. Safety procedures can be bypassed in emergencies. Emergencies demand stricter adherence, not fewer rules. Shortcuts lead to fatalities. What the rules actually require: only qualified workers can work on energized parts. Live work is a last resort, never a routine option. PPE must be rated for the task, and equipment must be locked out, tagged out, and verified at zero energy before any work begins. These facts exist for one reason: to ensure every worker goes home safe. Remember, current kills, a shock is a warning, and procedures save lives. Thank you for watching. If this video was useful, share it with your team. Subscribe to the Toolbox Ready HSE channel on YouTube for new safety content posted regularly. Nobody gets hurt, everybody stays healthy. See you in the next one.